1 Minute Irish, Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Irish from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Owen, your teacher for this programme, and I'm here to teach you some Irish 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what tá bronnarm ní higgum means? It's I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about tá cúpla focal Gaeilge agam? This means that you speak a little Irish and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Irish now. Today we're going to learn how to say I'm learning Irish. You would say tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge. Now, that probably sounds a bit difficult. I'll say it slowly. Tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge. Try it one more time. Tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge. If you were to say this to someone, you could add in the phrase Tá sé deacair go leor. This means it's quite difficult. Try saying that. Tá sé deacair go leor. Try it again. Tá sé deacair go leor. Now, try to put both phrases together, and I'll say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase. Tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge, tá sé deacair go leor. Listen again. Tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge, tá sé deacair go leor. And one more time. Tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge, tá sé deacair go leor. And that's the end of this lesson. Hopefully, you're not finding Irish too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Irish with this podcast enjoyable. You can find out how to get even more out of your Irish experience by visiting our website at www.oneminute.languages.com. In the meantime, thank you for listening and come back next time to learn more Irish with the Radiolingua Network. Slán go fóill agus go raibh maith agat.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.